What is up, guys? It is Jenna and I'm here with Maria, as you guys can see. And if do you want to like introduce yourself?
Yeah. Okay. So my name is Maria Castro. I also have a YouTube channel. So if you
link in the description.
Yeah. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be down below.
We also are doing a few videos on her channel too. If you guys want to go check those out. We're both doing a vlog series part, and then we're also going to be doing a separate video if we have time.
Yeah.
If we even have time.
We're gonna try to get that.
Yeah. We're gonna try to get that content in there. Try to get this stuff filmed. But this weekend I'm going to be vlogging the whole IMTA situation that we're going to be doing. We're both signed with the same agency. She's from Pennsylvania and she's staying with me for the entire weekend.
Like I drove in Ohio 4 hours just to come.
4.5 hours to come stay with me this weekend and to it'll just be easier on her part because she doesn't have to drive 4 hours every day to the agency. So for those who don't know what IMTA is, you guys can literally just Google IMTA unless you've been on my broadcast before. You guys have heard me talk about it before. But if not, you guys can just Google IMTA and get the information about it. It's basically just an acting competition in Los Angeles that we'll both be attending in beginning of January.
I'm so nervous.
I am so
like I'm excited, but I'm nervous at the same time.
Ready to win the whole thing.
Okay, I see how it is.
Oh yeah, also we're both in the same division, so we'll be competing against each other.
Yeah. I never thought about that.
Yeah, we're gonna keep competing.
No.
But it's okay, because we can help each other.
Yeah, we'll both win.
Yeah. So right now, we are going to go take pictures, and then we're gonna come back to my house, and then get ready to go to our agency, and it is currently 11:55, whatever, same thing.
At 2.
Yeah, but we're probably gonna get there around like 2:30.
Yeah, like, I feel like everyone's gonna be late, because it's a school day.
Exactly, it's a school day, it's Friday, so. So we're gonna go take pictures right now. We're both gonna be vlogging, and we're both gonna try to get different parts of vlogging, and so you guys have different content. Yeah. So you guys want to see more of me, go to her channel.
Yeah,
go check it out.
You want to see more of me. You know?
Exactly. And make sure to all go leave a like and a comment on her video too, and let her know that you came from my video.
Yeah.
Watch all the comments be all from my video.
JXO fam, JXO fam.
Anyways, we're gonna bring you guys along and
have fun.
Yeah. Hope you enjoy. We are at our first location that we're gonna be filming at. We're at this big red wall, and she's back there. She's gonna start her little part of the vlog. I don't like this lighting. Yeah, I don't either. The lighting's really freaking weird right now.
It's red. Well,
yeah, because there's a red. Yeah, so we can go over here by the stairs. I'll give you guys a little like overview. This is like where we're at, and we're just gonna try to like make the most of this little location, and then we're gonna walk down the street to find some other place to take pictures at. Alrighty guys, I'm talking quiet right now because we're in we're in an antique store that we just walked into to warm up and just look around. We're just gonna look around here, maybe take pictures if we find an area where we can, and yeah. Oh my god. For thumbnail. Okay then. I'm such a rebel.
Wow.
Like this is like such a good place, like all these records.
I feel like we just walked in a horror movie.
Oh, love that. Dude, this is like something you see in your nightmares.
This is really making me want to play the Ouija right now.
Honestly, same. We are walking back to my car right now. We just finished taking pictures for today, and we'll probably take some more pictures a little bit later, maybe after our whole thing, but we're probably both gonna be tired. We're about to walk underneath water. But we're both freezing right now. She's gonna start her part of the vlog, but right now we're walking back to the car. Basically just get ready and leave for our agency. So, and a bunch of cars are staring at me right now, so I will see you guys when I vlog again. It's so loud here too, so all right, bye. Right now we're going to day 2 of our workshop at the agency, and I'm tired. We were supposed to wake up at 9 to film. That didn't happen. We ended up getting out of bed at like 12.
Yeah.
And we ate breakfast.
I was so tired though.
She was trying to upload a video and it just was not.
It was not working.
So today's plan is to go to the agency. We're gonna be there until about like 5, 6-ish.
Can you talk?
I can't. Then after, we're gonna come home, probably like change, and then go take more pictures.
Yeah.
And hopefully this time we get pictures like with both of us too. And it's raining.
And it's
Why
also,
is it?
it's also raining, so it's not a good day for us today.
Yeah, it really isn't. Can we get 2 Venti's, Venti white mochas with no whipped cream and caramel drizzle?
They should took it to 10 out of home.
Everyone's probably looking at us right now.
Hi.
Hi.
Can you give me a coffee too?
Okay, if they did not make these iced, I'm gonna be mad. Because I definitely said iced. They definitely, but they're not iced. I said iced, didn't I?
I'm pretty sure you did.
Venti white mochas, because I definitely said iced. They definitely, but they're not iced. Alrighty guys, we are currently back from the agency, and so we are currently getting ready to go and take pictures at an arcade. Oh, and here's Olive. Olive, do you want to give the OOTD too? By the way guys, my room is a complete mess, so just aware. This is Olive's OOTD. Her collar, Louis Vuitton. Her jacket from probably, I don't know. I don't really know, but besides the point. Now on to my outfit. For my outfit, my top is from Brandy Melville. My jeans and my belt are both from Brandy Melville. No surprise. And then my jacket is from IMGA and then my glasses are gonna be a part of my video too, which are just like these glasses. And these are from Urban Outfitters, but no longer available. They might have one similar on their website though, but everyone always asks me where I get these glasses and my pink ones from because they're literally the same thing. But now Mary's gonna give her OOTD real quick.
So, boots, Dr. Martens.
Oh, I forgot about my shoes. My shoes are Nike Air Forces, so.
Yeah, then mine are Dr. Martens, Fabletics, Urban Outfitters, Princess Polly.
And Starbucks.
Starbucks.
I just keep giving thumbs ups. I'm like,
go like this video.
Yes, everyone like this video. If you guys are watching this right now, comment pineapple.
Yeah, because Jennah's been having cravings.
If you guys have made it to this part of the video, comment grilled cheese and pineapple. There we go. Yeah, and if I see you guys commenting that, I will respond with a thumbs up. So
you will respond with a thumbs up?
Yes, I will respond with a thumbs up. We are live on TikTok right now. Everyone's saying hi in the chat. What is up guys? So this is the next part of the vlog, the next day. This is the last day that Mary's gonna be here, which is really sad. And this is also our last day of the, I think my camera's swinging. This is also the last day that we are having our acting classes. Not our, well, I'm all over the place.
We have acting classes
we have like,
I'm just not going.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
How are you gonna edit?
I don't know. I'm just not gonna sleep. That's what's gonna happen. Right now we're gonna film our collab video on my channel. We already started her intro for hers, and then on the way down there, we are gonna be doing the rest of her video.
Which I feel like we're gonna be late again, like 15 minutes late at least.
No, more than that. If it takes 40 minutes.
If we left now, like we'd get there on time.
We're gonna get there like an hour late.
We're literally not gonna get there an hour late. We're not gonna take an hour to film your video.
Okay, true. We're gonna get into our collab for my channel and then finish hers. And then if anything, I'm gonna try to vlog a little bit later, probably when we get down to our agency. And then even later when we're saying goodbye, because
it's gonna be sad. I'm gonna see you next weekend though, so it's
true.
Fine.
We'll see each other Saturday. But still, alright, I will see you guys when I vlog again. Alrighty guys, we just got to our agency, so this is also the last time
That's so
we're gonna
sad.
see each
Don't
other
tell me
because
that. Don't
she's
tell
not
me
gonna
that.
be here with me tomorrow, and that's really, really sad. This isn't the end of the video. I just want to say that we got to our agency, and this is our little setup too for her video.
It just fits so perfectly.
Yeah, no, it fits perfectly. That's actually, and her saturation. Look at her saturation.
I don't know how I
Hopefully
did that,
it'll
but I'm so proud of myself.
Hopefully it'll focus. Yeah, there we go. Like, I don't understand how her camera quality just like looks so clean and so good.
I love that.
I will see you guys a little bit later before I have to leave, and yeah, I'm gonna finish her video right now. Alrighty guys, so that is the end of the vlog. I'm about to leave the agency right now to go to my volleyball game, and I'm leaving her.
It's so sad.
But we will see each other on Saturday, but make sure you guys all go check out her videos on her channel. This is the end of the vlog. We just did something so fun. I'm gonna say it in the vlog. So basically we were doing our cold reads, okay? And I'm gonna do how mine was. Yours was like a freaking chicken. Mine was, yeah, it was like, do you have anything, do you have to work on Saturday? And mine was like, do you have to work on Saturday?
Mine was like
yeah, hers was a chicken, but mine, I was going like full out.
Yeah. Jennah was feeling it.
Yeah, no, I freaking love that. Like, and I was like not afraid to like embarrass
whole room
myself
was
too.
just laughing at
No,
us,
the
but-
entire room was laughing. I read after the first time, I was like, everyone just like,
Changed pitch.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I was like, okay.
yeah, and everyone was just like losing it. Me and Mary were laughing at everyone so much,
Yeah.
just because it was so funny, not like, you know.
Yeah, it was a good laughing.
But anyways, that is the end of the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a like and comment down below. Let us, I don't know, just go comment whatever you guys want to comment.
for it.
Yeah. All my social medias along with Mary's will be down linked in the description if you guys want to go check any of them out or follow us. They'll be down there for you. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all in my next video. So bye.
Watch me fade every day in the morning. 2 AM, yeah, I'm sipping and I'm zoning. Watch me move, watch me sway, watch me dip